step outside after a heavy thunderstorm and your expensive wood chips are everywhere except where they belong. It is a total mess. Your driveway looks like a forest floor and your lawn is buried under dark brown bark. This is exactly why people start searching for a solution that basically acts like hairspray for the ground. This specific landscape adhesive claims to lock everything in place. It is a spray-on product called the Dominator Mulch Anchor. Most people buy this because they are tired of fighting a losing battle against the wind and rain. You spend hours making the garden beds look perfect. Then a single leaf blower or a stiff breeze ruins the whole aesthetic. This liquid binder is designed to stop that cycle. It works on wood mulch, pine bark, rubber chips, and even small gravel. You just pour it into a pump sprayer and go to town. The feedback on this stuff is actually quite interesting because it reveals exactly where people go wrong. If you look at the ratings, they are generally high. Most users find it very effective. People love that it dries clear. Nobody wants their garden to look like a shiny craft project or a plastic-covered landscape. It keeps that natural, matte, earthy look while holding the pieces together. One of the best uses people have found is for those tricky slopes. If you have a hill in your yard, you know the struggle. Gravity and rain work together to wash your mulch right down to the bottom. This glue creates a sort of crust or mesh that keeps things anchored. But here is the catch. You cannot just spray it and walk away. Success depends entirely on the prep work. The mulch must be bone dry. If there is any moisture trapped in the wood, the bond fails. It is like trying to tape something to a wet surface. You also need warm weather for it to cure properly. Some people find that one coat is not enough. They end up doing a second pass to really lock it down. Now consider the cost. This is the biggest hurdle for most homeowners. It is not cheap. If you have a massive property, you are going to spend a significant amount of money on multiple gallons. Some users feel it is just an overpriced version of basic acrylic binders. There is even a debate among professionals on social media about whether this is a long-term fix or just a temporary bandage. Some landscapers think you are better off with better edging or heavier materials. However, if you have rubber mulch that keeps migrating into your grass, this stuff might be a lifesaver. It creates a solid surface that can even handle a leaf blower. You can clean up the leaves without sucking up your expensive landscaping. It is not a permanent concrete solution. It will eventually break down under heavy foot traffic or harsh winters. You have to go into this with realistic expectations. It is a maintenance tool, not a miracle. It makes your life easier and keeps your yard looking sharp for longer. If you are dealing with minor washout or wind issues, it is a solid bet. Just make sure the sun is out and the ground is dry before you start spraying. Think about the chemistry for a second. This is essentially an acrylic-style binding agent. It is similar to some industrial coatings. It is non-toxic for your plants once it dries, which is a huge relief for gardeners. You do not want to kill your prized roses just to keep the mulch in place. When you apply it, try to use a high-quality sprayer. A cheap, weak sprayer will give you an uneven coat and lead to weak spots. You want a consistent mist that penetrates the top layer of the material. If you get it right, you can walk on it without the mulch shifting under your boots. It feels stable. It feels solid. For anyone tired of the constant rake and sweep routine, this might be the best weekend project you can tackle. Just wait for a clear forecast with no rain for at least 48 hours. That window of time is crucial for the chemicals to bond properly to the wood fibers. Once it sets, you are good to go. It is a game changer for pea gravel pathways too. No more stray stones in the grass. No more uneven walking surfaces. It just stays put. That is the goal.